Set the tempo to 140 BPM. Add a synth chord. Oh, and make sure to add this bend thing to make it interesting. Nice. Now add a pad. Now add an 8-bit pluck. We'll reuse that one later. Next, add a jazz guitar. Make sure to duplicate it and pan it to left and right. Add a pad sample, a clock, and ambience. Also a cymbal and downlifter, all together. Reuse the synth chord from earlier, and make it snappy this time. Still with the bend, okay? We'll also cut off the highs because it's time to introduce the sub bass. Now reuse the 8-bit pluck from earlier, and change the melody. Add a sine lead. Distortion, delay, and turning the legato mode is all it takes to get this sound. Add some 8-bit bleeps. Next, add some drums, and make a beat like this. Don't forget to add this sound. Cause it's Kawaii future bass. Now at the build-up, reuse the 8-bit plucks. I don't know why I called it teardrop, but yes, reuse also the pad, the sub bass, the jazz guitar, and the pad sample from the intro. Now reuse the synth chords from the intro and verse, and put it on 8th note, but without the bending this time. Now add a build-up lead. Add some vibrato and sync to make it more interesting. Now add some breakbeats. Now add some build-up snares and kicks. Add some transitions like an uplifter and some SFX from earlier. Now add some pitch riser automation for the build-up, and some endless smile. Now if you don't know what endless smile is, it's this guy. Now don't underestimate him, cause he will turn into a nightmare feel later. Now with all the pitch risers and stuffs, this is how the build should sound like. Now before the drop, add some boom SFX and some anime noise. I don't know, I tried to make a transition that after the boom, someone said nanny and someone laughs at her. I don't know what the f I'm doing. But anyways, let's move on to the drop chords. The drop chords was 2 layers in total. It's just basic saw waves stacked to each other. Add this synth chord version on the drop too. And put some phaser to make it runny on your ears. Now add some drop bass. Some dubstep one. And some aggressive one. Now add an ARP from the drop. Now add a sub bass from the drop. Now add the drop lead. Now kinda do the vibrato like this, because it's way much easier, and also Yujiko do it on his songs too. Now reuse the drums from earlier, except let's add a snappy snare, and layer it with a high release clap, to make some sort of a dubstep vibe just a bit. Add some more anime SFX to make it feel more kawaii. You can spam it if you like. but I'm good with just few. Also add more drum fills and perks. Also some ride and some closed hi-hat to fill up the empty spaces. Don't forget the sidechain. And bend all the synths on the drop. Also to filter it to create this effect. Nice. Now here's how it should sound like.